I'm adding the succulent, and this is small cute glass. So I have removed as much as soil I can, but I do not want to make the leaves really soggy or wet. So what I have done, in the bottom I have very wet, there's no water standing there, you can see that. So it is wet, it is pretty damp, but it is not like dripping water. So this is pretty wet sphagnum moss on the bottom. I'm just keeping it on the bottom, and then I can add a little more of the wet sphagnum moss. On top of that, I'm going to add this very dry sphagnum. And as an extra measure, what I need to do, I need to make sure that regardless of how much water I add or how much wet sphagnum moss get, I do not want the leaves of the plant get wet. I'm not breaking my sphagnum too much. I'm just separating it and adding it as is. Now what will I do? I will, leaving the center, I'm adding these pebbles around, making a circle. I'm not covering the whole sphagnum with the small pebbles that we usually see. The reason is I want to make sure I properly understand that how wet my sphagnum is, because I do not want it to get too wet. So if I keep my circle a little small to make sure my plant bottom leaves do not have like direct contact with the very wet sphagnum. You can add more stones as well. Maybe I will also add a few more. Basically, we would like to leave the center so the roots can connect with the sphagnum, but the leaves should raise the rest of the leaves above the surface. So then I go and just press it and twist and turn it a little, and that's it. And this is my small decor for my side table. You see this? It looks really like all these small arrangements, they really look nice in your drawing room, in the center of your dining table, on your side table, on the top of your study table, or maybe if you want to present it to someone. They look nice. This is how you can see the leaves are rising above because of the stone support, you see, so they do not get wet.